Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Waiting Night EA for MetaTrader 5, and this is a night trading robot designed for quiet market hours across multiple currency pairs. The seller positions it as a safe, non-toxic scalper that waits patiently for the right low volatility setups without using dangerous methods like martingale or grid. But let's break down what the developer page actually says and also compare it with my backtest, which I ran on the MetaTrader 5, my 1 year backtest. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture of the Waiting Night Expert Advisor. But before we dive into the details, we have a free Forex robot for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free, totally free, by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. Now, without wasting any much of your time, we are talking about the Waiting Night Expert Advisor. It goes for just $99 US, has 3.89 rating out of 5 on the MQL5 community, and it has about 23 reviews with people who have bought it commenting their views. But based on the page, according to the MQL5 page, Waiting Night is a fully automatic expert advisor that trades during quiet Forex hours on 12 built-in pairs. Actually, we have pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY, Euro CAD, AUD USD, and so on and so forth. These are the 12 pairs that it focuses on, and it uses a volatility filter that's optimized for each pair to identify suitable low volume setups. Then it enters with either market orders or pending limit orders to help control slippage. Now, every trade gets its own stop loss and take profit, plus a maximum trade lifetime, so positions are closed within 3 to 5 hours max. There is no averaging, there is no martingale, no dangerous recovery systems, according to what the developer portrays here. And true, from my backtest, there is no such dangerous recovery systems. It's just one trade at a time with defined risk. It also supports one chart mode, meaning all pairs can run from a single chart attachment. The backtests they show go way back to 2003. We have this GBP USD backtest, and it was also run on real spreads according to what is written here, with slippage considered, delivering decent profit factors around 2.58, and win rates in the 77 to 80% range, and control drawdowns of just 1%, 1.04%. And they strongly recommend ECN or raw spread broker plus a low ping VPS. They really stress getting the GMT offset correct for proper night session timing. This is very, very important because we are talking about night session trading, nighttime trading. So you have to set it properly using the DST features, and they actually mentioned this. The settings are organized into groups for easier use. You've got live mode, tester mode, entry type options between market and pending, the magic number, the comment, and all important GMT offset with the DST support. It's very important. You have to specify the DST of your broker and set it properly. And if you do not know how to do this, they have a setting here which you can use to set up your GMT. This is it, and yeah, that is very, very important for this expert advisor to work properly. And they also have lot options which include the fixed or auto scaling based on balance or equity. We also have security features like maximum open orders, max lot limits, max drawdown protection, and a spread filter. The developer says minimum deposits should be around $100 for 0.01 lots, which is specified here, to trade all 12 pairs on the list. and also most parameters are already optimized per pair, so you can mostly plug and play after setting up the timing and lots. So everything is all based on your preferences. Now let's go to my backtest. I ran my backtest on USD card on the 1 hour time frame with real ticks, every tick based on real ticks from June 2025 to June 2026. 100% modeling quality on a 10k deposit, and the equity curve is slow but is steady, and it has this upward climb with almost no visible drawdowns, ending up around $21.82 in profit, and profit factor came in at 6.39, which is impressive. And also we had 53 total trades, and we have 85% win rate here, and a ridiculously low max drawdown, which is also in line with their backtest, which I showed you earlier, the 2003 backtest on GBP USD on the 5-minute time frame. And we have 0.03% max drawdown, equity max drawdown, and balance max drawdown just 0.02. So it's so low, it's very low, and it's impressive compared to the developers' long historical tests that showed much bigger profits and higher trade frequency. This recent period was a lot quieter on USD card on the 1 hour time frame, which honestly makes sense for a night system where conditions are not perfect. For the inputs, the ones that actually matter most are the GMT offset, and this is used for the correct night timing. We also have the lot sizing to keep risk conservative, especially on multiple pairs, the spread filter also, and the pending orders for better execution. Honestly, the catch with night trading is thin liquidity. Spreads can widen and slippage can eat those small targets, so you should be careful when trading with the night time. Ensure that you have a broker that supports low spreads and minimal slippage. Then there is the no news filter, which is convenient but leaves room for surprise moves even in quiet hours. Multiple pairs like this helps diversify, but correlations can still cause clustered losses. Call fitting on older data is always a risk with these legacy style expert advisors. So these are the inputs that actually matter, and my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a disciplined, low risk night scalper with sensible rules, but expect low activity and heavy dependence on your broker setup. I'll say it's for patient prop traders comfortable with GMT tweaks, raw spread accounts, low trade frequency, and capital preservation. Who should avoid it? I'll say anyone wanting frequent action, beginners not ready for the setup sensitivity, or traders chasing aggressive daily returns. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and check out the free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.